Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong May 2026. General reading, pwede kang makarelate, pwede hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or mag-book kayo directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, Pisces, let's see. What is the energy May 2026 sa inyong kaperahan? Wow, divine guidance. Ayan. So, maaaring magkakaroon kayo ng energetic downloads about your career path, na kung ano yung mga decisions na kailangan mong gawin. I also see na mas magsha-shine ka. You will be parang, some of you will be a center of attention. Dahil na rin sa gifts mo, sa abilities mo. Yung iba sa inyo, you are into spirituality. You are practicing different divination. Part yun ng healing, na iyong healing, meron kang mission to heal. You also have good cheer. People are cheering for you. Ayan, may sumisigaw, diba? Yung anak ko, pasensya na. Kung nahahagip siya ng sound, maingay. Kahit na noise cancelling, maingay pa rin. Anyway, so, people are going to cheer sa yung ginagawa. Kumbaga, they are supporting you with what you do. Career man yan, trabaho man yan, business man yan, or projects that you are doing right now. Oh, diba? Mayroon ka talagang new beginnings. There is something starting sa buhay mo. This is going to bring you stability. With number 4 here, dalawang 4. Stability, foundation, having a strong foundation. Maaring meron kang binibuild. You are building a career or a business na pangmatagalan talaga. Something na meron kang may iwan na legacy. Diba? Kumbaga, you will be well known. Makikilala ka sa field na yan. You have Eagle. Oh. Eagle is about yung perspective mo sa buhay. Okay? Some of you, mas magiging malawak yung perspective mo sa buhay. You will be more confident kasi alam mo mas marami kang karanasan, mas marami kang alam, knowledge, and skill set. Kumbaga, meron kang mas broader knowledge. And Eagle also is about being clairvoyant. Kumbaga, pagdating sa decision making mo, mas, let's say, 2-3 steps ahead ka kumpara sa iba. Dahil you are seeing other things na hindi nakikita ng iba. Diba? Pag nasa taas ka, nakikita mo yung mas malawak na perspective kesa sa nandun ka sa baba. So that's what I'm saying for you, Pisces. Mas calculated nyo yung inyong mga actions, yung mga steps ninyo because you know better and you know more. Oh my God. Diba? You have the sky. The sky is expansion. You're expanding your horizon. Some of you, kung ano man yung career path ninyo, maaring mas makikilala kayo. Hindi lang dun sa tina-target nyo na na demographics. Kumbaga, halimbawa, ang tina-target mo lang, local viewers. Mas ma-expose ka pa sa international viewers. Something like that, no? Or merong expansion sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa career mo. Things are doing well for you. You also have desert. So, desert, it's an energy of resilience na 'di ba sa disyerto, iisipin mo na may kulang doon, walang tubig, 'di ba? But actually, it's about being resilient, na pagiging resourceful mo. I also see na marami kang kayang gawin with little effort or little resources. Yun yung talent and skill set ng iba sa inyo na magiging reason kaya mas naiiba kayo. Okay, let's see what else. for Pisces. Oh, the sun. This is celebration, happiness, clarity, fun things ahead for you, Pisces, sa trabaho, sa career nyo. I also see na mas magiging center ka of attention. People will recognize you. People will celebrate you. You have the Seven of Wands. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ng mga taong kukontra sa'yo, mga taong will try to, kumbaga parang i-challenge ka. But I see na you know how to protect yourself. And this is also a reminder sa'yo na mag-ingat ka rin sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo or pakikisalamuhaan mo because not all of them are your supporters. Some of them are just spectators and, waiting for you to fail. So be very careful, with the King of Swords here. I also see na mas nagiging maingat ka sa mga sasabihin mo, sa mga gagawin mo. Well calculated. And at the same time, may mga pinag-aaralan ka sa paligid mo, mga tao sa paligid mo, pinag-aaralan mo rin sila. You are observing, quietly observing. You also have the devil. Okay, so some of you can be in a toxic situation sa career, sa trabaho, but you know how to protect your energies. May mga temptation sa paligid, so mag-ingat. Do not fall for any temptation. Kasi pwedeng yan yung maging reason, no? Yan yung parang hihintayin nila na ikaw ay mag-fail sa trabaho mo, sa career mo because of this temptation. So, wag mo silang bigyan ng pagkakataon na makita kang mag-fail. Ayan. Let go of others' thoughts and opinions. It's time to embrace who you really are. Yes. Sometimes kasi, iniisip natin lagi kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao tungkol sa atin. But, yun yung nagpiprison sa atin eh. Kumbaga yun yung pumipigil sa atin to become the more authentic version of ourselves. So, you will let go of those beliefs, kung ano yung iniisip at opinion ng ibang tao sa'yo. Kasi na-embrace mo na ngayon ang totoong ikaw. You are being more authentic. You're being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. Dahil dyan, mas magiging masaya ka, mas magiging at peace ka kasi alam mo na hindi ka na nagtatago sa shadow, no? Kumbaga, you are open to shine. Oo. You're not dimming your light anymore. The magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. So you have magical powers. You are someone who is into spirituality, magic. You are someone na kayang mag-tap into other realms na hindi kayang gawin ng iba. So you can use that to help others, to heal others, and to guide others. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.